Heading up to Body Beautiful Cars. Alexos has kindly agreed to host the annual NC30 NC35 meet. Bit of a rubbish weather, overcast, and on the 160-mile journey on the way here I've got pretty drenched, but should be a good day. Hopefully some nice little pocket rockets. Alex has put on a nice little display of his 4 bikes, so there should be some good footage of that. Thought with a journey this long, it'd be much more comfortable to bring the blade out. It's a feeling a little bit unloved. The SP1 always gets the first pick, so tyre pressure's checked, fueled up, cleaned up, chain lubed, everything. Ready for the 320-mile round trip in one day, which is would be a killer on the SP1.
Cheap now, are they? No. They're more dearer than my R1. Yeah. And when I went, that was at Rockingham when it just opened, the first year Rockingham racetrack.
Yeah.
And I met that guy there.
Right.
And we had the same number plates, except the 3 numbers.
Right.
Really good that.
And then next week we
And we'll go over to Rockingham for that. That's what, an hour, 20.
South Wales.
Rockingham down south by Rockingham. Down.
Northampton way.
Northampton, that's it.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
I've looked for them on, I've got a search on eBay for them, and never come up. So, and it's discontinued. But to be honest, there's enough people.
He's an Aprilia RSV something else.
Yeah, they're all part of the Cagiva Mito, aren't they?
They had 4 Mandelos.
Don't worry, I'm not going to get to be fair, they're all right.
Thank you to Alex for hosting the NC30, NC35 annual meet. Good turnout. Still haven't quite got one of every type of NC30, but we will one year. Great business he's got going on there, body, beautiful cars. Some lovely cars up on the ramp. XK150 Jags, for example. Absolute legend at restoring these old cars, and of course his hobby of the NC30s, his lovely John Player Special, his Seed and his Euro spec NC30s there today. Great little turnout, not just of NCs but Percy Beach's couple of blades, nice SB6 GSXR1100 water-cooled engined Bimota, and a couple of nice RC30s just to add to the mix. Good turnout. Weather could be a bit better for me on the way up here, but sun's out now. So all you NC30 owners, you make sure you're getting them ready over the winter, riding them during next summer, and then bringing them next year for the 3rd annual NC30 35 meet. We'll do it again at Alex's workshop. Great venue, great host. Anyone who puts on Haribo as part of their buffet is, gets a nod from me. So thank you very much for watching, and see you again soon.